We are in La Carihuela Torremolinos. This hotel behind me is where everything started in La Costa del Sol. It was built in 1960 like a five-star hotel. Was very famous all over the world. All the presidents, singers, Hollywood people, kings came to this hotel. It was very famous, but nowadays it's closed. This summer was open, but now sadly about the pandemic is closed. It's a very good hotel. Now it's a 4-star, not a 5 like it was, but still a very good beach hotel. I would like to film inside it, but it's closed. They have a photo gallery with a picture of Frank Sinatra, Ava Gardner, many famous people in those years. So enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Here you can see the back side of the hotel, the beach side. They have the direct access to the beach, and also they have a swimming pool. I want to show you now the swimming pool, and this is one of the best hotels over the Costa del Sol. As you can see, the beaches in La Carihuela are very wide, very big. They are one of the best all over La Costa del Sol and also Spain. Very good beach. can see the hotel La Barracuda. One of the hotels that is still open this autumn from the beach. It's very good hotel with swimming pool. Wonderful. And it's still open in la Carihuela Torremolinos. Many of the chiringuitos are closed because there is no enough people for all of them, but others are open. The beach is almost empty, so the people that came to the beach are very happy. Now is the moment to have a private beach. Long beach only for you. This is the best English, French, Spanish spoken hairdresser all over Costa del Sol. The next one. Hope to see you there. Thank you. Okay, I finished my work here. It's the beach and the hotel, Pez Espada, behind me. Before I told you that it was built in 1960, but really it was built in 1959. It started building in 1959 and finished in 1960, but it was open in 1959. When it was built, it was bigger. Many of the buildings here were from the hotel, but they sailed most of them. So remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, please. See you soon. I hope you enjoy this work. Bye.